My name is John Wilker. I'm a professor of chemistry and materials engineering at Purdue University. So adhesives are now in almost everything that is around you at any given moment. So in furniture, in the walls, in the floors, in your shoes, in your electronics, obviously packaging. So adhesives hold together almost everything that we contact every day. So one of the drawbacks of adhesives, the current petroleum-based ones, is that they inhibit recycling because a lot of materials are stuck together and it all gums things up. Like, for instance, this is, look at this cardboard box. It's got tape and labels on there, and you can't really get these materials off, and so that makes this box very difficult to recycle. Another issue with these modern adhesives is that because they're petroleum-based, they're more or less permanent, and so they don't degrade. So a cardboard box on its own may well be recyclable, but once you start covering it with tape and labels, and there's all these adhesives on there, and they're really difficult to get off, then suddenly it becomes less recyclable. So two specific problems with regard to adhesives right now is that the bonds are permanent, so it's just difficult to get materials apart for recycling. But then a second problem is that the adhesives themselves just don't degrade, they don't go away. Yeah, so of course our lab is developing new adhesives, and one of the goals is to make these adhesives fully sustainably sourced, even potentially carbon negative, and low cost. And of course the performance has to be at least as good as what's out there available. So yeah, this is a big emphasis on our lab right now. So the current adhesives that we have, being petroleum-based and being permanent, create a whole host of environmental issues. So what we're hoping is that if we can bring new chemistry to bear and develop new adhesive systems that are sustainably sourced, a lot of these environmental issues can be part of our past and not part of the future.